how to change your discoverability settings on Twitter. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change your discoverability to settings on your Twitter using your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Twitter application on your mobile phone devices. Once you're good with that, what you have to do is you're going to go into your profile icon, or you must tap on it that is present at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you're going to go and look for the settings and privacy that is in the second last option. Once you do that, a new page appears up with numerous options, out of which you're going to go and look for the privacy and safety option. Once you find it, just tap on it. Once you go down, you're going to look for discoverability and contacts. So that would be the very last option in the your Twitter activity. So once you tap on it, a new page would appear up that would say discoverability, and under that there would be two more checkups. So when you'll uncheck those, you'll hide your discoverability from your Twitter account, and nobody would be able to discover about your Twitter account. Hence there is also this sync address book context, and when you will unfollow it, nobody would be able to find you, whether that person is in your contact list or not, whether that person has synced in his contact list or not. So you will be completely undiscoverable through this. So this is how you turn this off. This is how you change your discoverability settings on Twitter. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.